In this video, I'm going to show you how to change language in Adobe Acrobat. Now, the first way you could do this is to open Adobe Acrobat. Then you want to go to the top left here, click on Edit, and you want to go to Preferences. Inside Preferences, click on Language over here about in the middle. And then up top, it says Application Language, and by default for me, it's English. Now, if you have more languages over here, you can just switch to those, or you could do choose an application startup or same as operating system. Now, to be able to do this, of course, you must have different languages installed. So that's just the first way, but if you only see English or whatever language over here, what you have to do is the following. So close this down, and I do recommend you close down Adobe Acrobat as well. Then you want to open up your control panel, so just search for control panel in here and click on it. And then it should appear something like this. If it doesn't, view by category up top, click on that, click on programs, and go into programs and features. Find Adobe Acrobat. It should be somewhere at the top because it starts with A. So it's over here. I'm going to click on it, and you want to click on Change up top. Now, when you do this, I'm just going to click Continue, wait for a few seconds for this Windows installer to actually appear, and it usually loads like for 5 to 10 seconds, and then you'll see this. So you'll see the Adobe Acrobat application maintenance. Here, you want to click on Next. And then from here, you want to select Modify in the first option and click on Next again. Then you can see languages here at the bottom. You want to double click it so languages expand. There's a bunch of different languages you can use over here, and then you first have to select whichever one you want. So let's say I want German here. What you can do is just go to German, and right now there's an X next to it. Click on this arrow down or an X, and then select that this feature will be installed on local hard drive. Whenever you do this, it's going to look like this, and it's going to show you how much space this requires over here. Of course, you could do multiple if you want to, like this. And when you're done, simply click on the Install button over here. Your languages are going to get installed into your Adobe Acrobat, and then you'll be able to pick just the way I showed you earlier inside that application language menu. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.